Learn all types of vehicle traffic signs, including symbol and full details. Traffic sign full meanings. Welcome to part 2. Part 1 video link available in description. Please watch. Left reverse bend. This Z-shaped sign gives road users a warning about the same Z-shaped formation of the road ahead towards the left. Steep ascent. This sign gives a warning about the steep upward slope. Steep descent. This sign is usually found on the hilly roads with a steep downward slope. Narrow road ahead. This sign indicates a narrow road ahead. Road widens ahead. This sign indicates widening of the road ahead. Narrow bridge. This sign indicates that there is a narrow bridge ahead. Slippery road. This sign gives road users warning about the slippery road ahead. Loose gravel. This sign is usually seen on a hilly area where there is a possibility of loose earth or gravel keeps on falling. Cycle crossing. There is a cycle path crossing the major road. The sign will warn the driver about that. Pedestrian crossing. This sign indicates that there is crossing for pedestrians. Where seeing this sign, the driver should either slow down or stop the vehicle and let the pedestrian cross the road first. School ahead. This sign indicates about a school ahead. Men at work. This indicates that there are people working or repairing on ahead on the road. Cattle. This sign indicates that there might be cattle staying on the road. Falling rocks. This sign gives warning about the falling rocks ahead. Crossroad. This sign suggests that there is a crossing of two roads ahead. Gap in median. This sign suggests there is a provision of U-turn ahead. Side road right. This sign indicates of a right side turn along with a straightway ahead. Side road left. This sign indicates of a left side turn along with a straightway ahead. Y intersection. This sign suggests that there is a Y-shaped formation ahead. Staggered intersection. This sign placed where their left and right turns are closely located on the straight road. T intersection. This sign suggests that there is a T intersection on the road ahead. It means that you cannot drive straight ahead. Major road ahead. This sign notifies of a major crossroad ahead. Roundabout. This sign can be used a substitute for a road crossing. Dangerous dip. This sign suggests there is a dip ahead on the road. Hump or rough road. This sign suggests that there is a hump or rough road ahead. Unguarded level crossing. This sign indicates there is a railway crossing ahead. Guarded level crossing. This sign indicates that a railway crossing ahead is guarded by person. Public telephone. This sign indicates that there is a telephone service ahead. Petrol pump. This sign suggests there is a petrol pump in the way ahead. Hospital. This sign suggests there is a hospital ahead. First aid post. This sign indicates the first aid facility ahead. Eating place. This sign indicates of a food facility ahead. Light refreshment. This sign suggests there is a light refreshment ahead. No through road. This sign suggests there is a no exit ahead. No through side road. This sign is placed when there is a no through side road on the main road. Park this side. This sign suggests there is a place where you can park your vehicle. Parking scooters and motorcycle. This sign suggests there is a parking spaces for scooters or motorcycles. Parking lot cycles. This sign suggests there is a parking space for bicycle only. Parking lot cars. This sign indicates that the parking space for a cars only. Resting place. This sign suggests there is a motel or lodge nearby. Parking lot auto rickshaws. This sign erected at a destination which is meant for parking auto rickshaws.